Disassemble a Canik Mete MC9 Prime. First, you got to make sure it's unloaded. All right, chamber clear. Take the mag out, magazine clear. Release the slide, press the trigger in the safe direction. You're going to pull the slide slightly, about 1/8 of an inch. Pull the takedown tab. Push the slide forward, but not all the way out because it's not going to slide out. You have to lift the slide out from the frame. All right. And you take your guide rod off and your barrel. And we can take a look at the design here. Just beautiful. Right? Just awesome. I know you're watching this on the short. If you want the full review on the Canik Mete MC9 Prime, just click on this link right here and you will get the full review, the unboxing, and first shots impression. To put it back, take your slide and your barrel, put your guide rod in. Struggling here. There you go. Now, to put the slide back in, it's the same thing. You don't slide it back. You position it right on top and pull the slide. Make sure it's installed properly. All right, I believe we're good. And test for function.